I want to show you a very useful option when you have saved fields, and that's animating them. If you have, for example, here 20 fields that are saved, you don't need to plot them one by selecting different time steps. If you want to see the differences between different time steps, it's easy to animate them in a single video file or GIF file. Let's see how to do that. First step is plotting the field report on the geometry. Then you will be able to see the field report on field overlays. Select one of them, for example, the flux line, right-click on it, and find the option of animate. If you have enough points to be animated, you will see them in this list. If this list is empty for you, remember to go back to the analysis setup and save some points for saving fields. Now let's do it again. Right-click on the flux lines or any other field reports, it doesn't matter, and select the time steps that you need the animation to be plotted. Click on OK. It will ask to confirm the animation, sweep variable, and click on animate. Wait a little bit because this is a graphical output. It will take a while to create the animation. But as soon as it is ready, you will be able to change the speed, change the output format by clicking on this export, and even stop it, go forward step by step manually. But as a very useful output, I suggest you to plot the field distribution with the flux lines, choose a right speed to have a smooth animation, and then export the file. If you click on export file, you are able to create an AVI file that is a complete video or a GIF file. Another option is available here, the WebM file, that is a video file extension. But let's create a GIF file in the desktop. I will make the name as a field report. And you will have a GIF file that you can use it in your PowerPoints or any other document presentation. This animation report can be done on any other field report too. For example, I will hide the visibility of the flux line and field distribution by clicking on plot visibility. Now, for example, I want to plot the field report on vector of the flux density. You're able to change the attribute of the plot by going to marker arrow and change the size of the arrows to have a better view. They are very small now. Now it's a little better. And when you set the diagram properties in the marker, in the scale and color map tab, you can click on apply and create the animation from this vector plot by right-clicking on the B vector plot and create animation. Again, you can see the flux vectors are rotating as the rotor is moving, and you can export this animation too.